the problem my RV has. Hear that noise, cracking noise? It's coming from this corner right here. It's really, really annoying. This is the Rav4 2013. I think it has a dash problems. It sure does. I can hear that. It's coming from here. I'll show you. Section. Look at that guy. You guys see that? He was doing a wheelie on the bike. Yeah. This is it. Let me know, guys, if you guys fix this somehow, because I want to fix it. I know I can stuff stuff in there, maybe a gum or whatever, you know, you can stick something in there, but it looks ugly. So just want to know you guys' opinions, what you guys did with your squeaking sound. I'm pretty sure you guys have that on your Rav4. Maybe you don't, but you can always let me know, and it'll help me solve my problem, this squeaking stuff, because it's, like I said, it's really annoying having that squeaky sound. Alright guys, take care, have a good day.